Hello, good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Liman and Tal. We just had our who ate?
Who ate?
They ate.
Who
They ate.
ate?
They
They
ate.
ate, Ron.
They ate. Misa Digayo. And we said or is here this delicacy called
Photo bombong.
Puto Bongbong. Yeah, and
Photo bombong?
it's gonna be my
Bongbong?
first try, so I wanna record my reaction. She had it already and she gave a good review, so I'm gonna try it. I'm
Yeah.
gonna try it myself.
Okay. Since you had it ready.
Doon internet, doon cheese.
Cheese with a little bit of photo bombong.
True. Okay siya. Alam mo?
Sticky rice.
As in?
Yeah, and ube.
Malangi siya. Mo siya ng price.
Yeah. It's mahal.
I find it expensive.
Yeah.
Mahal siya.
Ako ni Kuya. 50 guys.
Wala po gan. Ni ko yung mismo itong kan. Namalit
I
ng
thought
plastic.
it was 25.
Maybe he's overpricing. Hindi yun.
But yeah, it's lamig.
Kuya, di mamiso siya. It's mahal, but I
Wait
guess
lang
it's worth it. Lami siya. Ang kanina siya, more siya munchkin. Munchkin na stretchy ball.
Munchkin na
Ube.
ube.
And stretchy ball. Ano siya, guys? Well, I've been wanting to eat this actually. Ito ganing pagpista, no? Namaligya. Magsiyang tingnan nila namaligya. But I didn't get this one. Lamig. Pero mahal. More siya magnum. Pero mas really worth it ang magnum. Mahal kayo magnum.
Ayan.
Yeah. Moro to siya. Hindi ko ni balik. Wag ko ni palit siya tukad. Balik. But I will gladly eat naman if someone gives me magnum. But yeah.
Padungdung.
Ay, dili man.
Budget, padungdung.
Ay, di bo. Kanang, diba, if man lang. Like, in general. Like, nalin mo. Libre ganun.
Ako sa kuan. Kung yung mga tingnan kong magnum mo, why not?
Ganun.
Give it to me.
Pwede na ko ganang ako yung gasto.
Day 8.
It's either bungol, doon sa kong kabungol or pan. Galag ang ito. Or both. It's both. Somewhat makatonsil ang kuan. Ang condense. Tonsillitis mo.
It's
Okay.
giving tonsillitis after.
Ganun. Mag-over siya sa isnay condense.
It's okay. Balance man food ang sweetness and the
Cheesiness.
yeah.
Idili lang unta ko ang dagan ang condense. That's okay.
Dugayan ako, wala ka boba.
Same.
Hi. 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 Ayan, wag na. Ala.
Hello. Hi. Amoy yung mo to. It's like
Magani.
bleeding eye. Like shabu.
Yeah.
Kuku.
For real.
Fur.
Hi.
Ano na?
Nice to you guys. Hi.
Yung konti, expression king ka, ano.
Yeah. Ay, putang ina mo, gag. Oh, broad ka man, good.
Yung camera shy ang cut, guys. He actually si Bongbong. Ang sound is Mamang, di butang. And the thumb is already nakasamot yung ubo. Maybe it's 50 because of the styrofoam. Kuya, ibutang na lang siya sa daw saging para barato. Economical pa.
You can have that.
Environment friendly pa, kuya. Okay. Is dito kaysa, I think sa Manila kay kuan. Brown saging ilang butang na.
The review for this is, wait, I'll wait for you.
You go. You can start. Ako na. As one. Yes, first time eater. First time eater. I'll give 5 for the subanan. 5. No, it's I
But
think
unnecessary.
mahal siya tungkol sa subanan.
Unnecessary din.
Yeah, and it's not environment friendly. You know what I'm saying? And then, for its taste, 8/10. Kaya na siya hindi siya lopsless, but like, walang siya needs to be adjusted. Lubong ko, magsakit siya sa tunglan if too much condensed. So, that's all. That's all for my review. Yeah. And now, what's yours? She's giving 8. Okay, Molo, tone is...
Maybe 9 because mahilig ako sa matamis.
Ay, hilig sa dito, pero too much sa dito, makakuha sa dito siya upan. It's giving tonsillitis.
Last na sa niyan eh, so... Pero naman sa ikuan, di ba? Kaya you can use... Ang sa ganito, ganun. Itong stick na.
Tupo.
Ano ba?
Ito mo yun?
No. Popsicle. Like,
Oh yeah. Oh, true. You know,
pwede naman tumana. And this is plastic, guys.
need to be environmental friendly. So, even if we're gonna dispose this correctly, it's still not environmental friendly. And the price. The price is. I gave it gone.
3/10. Pero if 25 is
5/10.
Acceptable for me. If kanin 25 pesos. Tulo.
Hindi siya
Pero lami manggod siya. So acceptable na 25 but 50 is overpricing niya, ha?
Unsa ang kuan? Let's just say kanisha
Kapoy mo siguro pag
the spoons.
Uy, that's barato rin.
Pilit is expensive.
Yeah.
Pilit is expensive. Desiccated coconut is,
Julian!
no.
Julian.
Desiccated coconut is kind of cheap, I guess. And then, siguro sa asukal,
Yeah.
mahal
Maybe
ang
din,
asukal. And sa common, the condensed, yeah,
May katulog na ko ani. Maho na ko ani kundi.
mahal ang condensed. Sa kumela.
Mahal ang gatas.
True. So, mo siguro 50.
Grabe sa ang 50 dahil.
Pero, in fairness, hindi man may magyaw yung is na need support. It's all about the money.
Yeah. We would probably buy 2 or more if we
More.
had money. Pero wala ba may money?
Pero sige lang. We can buy soon like that. Or buy more than 3 pesos. But pieces. By the way, 3
Tulog.
pieces for 50.
Dapat 5 pieces.
With cheese and more.
See?
Ay, napay cheese. Grated cheese. Or may ito yung justifiable
bakit
to
50 man niya? Dapat matawad ta.
we must call A45. Pero wala lang alam ni Kuya yung nag-50. Like, each is 15. So, 45. Or ayaw ni Kuya na quacky.
Kuya 8. No. He did not eat.
Who? Deitron. Who?
Oh.
Deitron? Who? Deitron? Deitron? Oh.
Oh, they ate room.
Nag-log dito ko. I was logging. Logging or ano.
Kasi humili.
It's about names.
Yeah.
Pero I didn't hear the deeper thing about Elmini.
It was about Isabel giving birth.
Yeah,
And the naming thing, because the angel said na pangalanan siya og Juan. And dito ra ko to, guys.
And what I can remember is God. Ang tutor siya sa, like, giving names in the sense nga, actually sense, dapat ang name. Because if not, then it's gonna be bad.
Senseless. Feel ako, wala sense akong name. Like,
Mama tingali. Basta na siya sa Bible. No,
wala.
Ay, wala.
Wala kaila sa Bible guys.
Ay, kwan siya. Kanang present name.
Modern name.
Modern rather.
Present.
Present.
Give your
Present. Kaya, kwan, kanang, hindi tawag niya. Yeah, because if you're not gonna give name na naay sense, name na nag-sense, kay kwan, your kids gonna suffer. He or she is gonna suffer. So,
dapat taas sa inyong mga landay. Sa inyong mga kids, dapat taas kay nanging.
combination. Yung pinakunto, bukluto ni Father lang ko. Kaya name ko sa ikatulong ng bata ko isa ko.
Basta na dyan di ay pangalan ng cellphone.
Girl. Who's gonna name that?
Their child cellphone. Basta itong ko COVID-19
Nga doon.
Corona. Yeah, they named their kid Corona. Because of COVID-19.
I actually wonder too kung hindi mabutang na kaya ganing ko wali ang in general like wali ang pare sa wonder ko kung hindi mo mabutang na hula sa mga like binakbo pa sa yun okay
I think so.
no I don't well who knows kung naisulti sila sa tino and ay ang
Maybe they're full of dili pud full of kuan kanang not but burit. It's the same thing. Namumog na. So that madala nila ang tao na to do good sa good, pero that's basically
You're
gaslighting.
under the name of the Lord.
And that's basically
You're the
gaslighting people to do something na good man sad, pero gaslighting yun.
You should have used the right
Gaslighting
name.
is bad.
Yeah. Not the the gaslighting. Ayun, abot yun sa kong handa. Gusto magwali ang pare mo. Ito yung awas ng hula nila sister. Like,
The bisad side eye.
yeah. Like,
Saan
who
mo
knows?
yung burit?
Who knows who? So, yun. Let's end for day 8.
Day 8?
That's all for the day 8. Ihad ka. Snack.
Yay! Snack ra
Zero
to.
snack.
Dili to
Ayaw
meal.
yellow. Pwede siya. Okay. Focus. Pack.
Muna yung magibayaran. Muna yung 50. Ang plastic ng 50.
It's really not giving.
Pero the effort and the pag-prepare sa tutuwang mo and everything, maybe,
Or basta nagpabayad siya sa kuwan. Kailangan ko pagaling.
yeah,
Because it needs to be grind.
grinded.
Grind yan. Grind. Makuan. Grind ang pellet.
Yeah.
Rice. Para may nato siya.
So, it's like, it's basically,
Hindi na ito na.
not puto.
Puto. Puto.
Puto is katong ano, diba?
Itong triangle.
Ay, ano to ganito?
Budbud?
Budbud. Yeah, the budbud thing.
Ano man
It's a budbud, pero
Mm.
grinded. And
Mm.
has lasa.
Nga ube.
Ube.
Then with cheese and condensed. Yung tamis. Nung sakit ito lang.
Ito siya.
Yeah. Bumili na ito napakita ko. Higutan niya na.
Wala.
Gusto mo ni siya. Wala,
Hindi
ganun
gutom
lang.
naman ni.
We're here to we're here to devour the
We're here to
savor the
criticize.
flavor. Ano.
Criticize.
Next time na lang. Naka-afford na ito niya ibalik.
Dito mo pa
maybe with
yun.
mama. Nagkakaon na ba si mamang ano? Do you think?
I don't think so. I maybe because is her mom.
No, narap mo na si Kuya ni kagabi. Maninda mo na siya ni gabi din.
I think maybe.
Makita mo.
Yeah, I see him all the time.
Okay. Okay, move on. We're gonna try it with Mama someday, I guess. Hopefully. Hopefully niya.
Hindi na dire crush siya.
Kiss. This is really, really interesting to give reviews. Oh, that's all.
Even the price is very interesting to give review.
Almost same. More like it's
Very questionable price.
Gani ko rin ito. Hindi ko ito. Pinaaso mo kami kuya.
Wait, duha mo na sila ka-vendor good. Maybe the other one is 25. Wala man itong
Katong 25k. Pila ko mo.
tulusad.
I'll take revenge. Challenge.
Katong po nag-sell sa call is corn. So, katong delivery mo 40 to. 40.
That's smallest ka.
Yan. Ang condense ato kay gitipid.
Uy, wala.
You
Ito si Condense.
Yan ang gana na ito gamay sa taas. And that was 40 or 50.
Uy,
No,
wala, may
not 40.
condense.
My bad.
Ano si Condense?
Grabe ang mga vendors ko.
Yung nagdili na sa ito nagdili.
Yeah. Pero, kasabot mi na nagkuhan sila. Hanap buhay and everything. But,
Hindi siya lang
overpricing and abusing their
vendors. Their customers is a big no-no.
may pato si kuya na nag-sell of fries.
Ay, nasugi na mga dayon.
Yeah. He knows what I like.
There must be
My
some
flavor.
There must be some perks whenever she buys
May pakapili.
fries, yeah. Pero I'm not like I'm gonna buy this again. Pero maybe we will when Mama is here.
Magtunga mi sa 15.
50 divided by
Sa tagsa.
3. 50 divided by 3 is pocket money. But anyway, we're
She's
gonna
gonna pay 10 and I'm gonna pay
20.
No, 15. 15 and 15 ka.
45, bro.
Magtunga na po doon sa sa dos ko So
Okay,
either
minus
ninyo
4. Naihakal to, gano'n. Nato ang pubayin. Hindi ka nang tagsab dyan niya itong usa ka bukang kuan. Mahal. Hindi siya afford. Nagyaw-yaw rin dyan kay wala may ka-afford. But yeah, kung hindi namin magyaw-yaw, review na lang. Okay. Or maybe we can taste another, putubong doon from other place. Pero kuya was not taga-diri. So,
Kuya was not considerate na we only bought 25 pesos.
hindi miss pwede na usap mo.
I was really proud to hand my 25 pesos. And then he said, I'm 50, man, mom. Okay, yeah.
Hindi na gusto ito. Okay na. Usa ka mo. Saan nila gusto ka mo sa 25? No, that can't be. So, we're gonna we're just saying our rants. It's not a review, it's more about ranting.
Yeah, about the price.
Yes, exactly. That's all, goodbye. See you sa next review. If
Sa lasa, okay ra. Sa price,
dele.
yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Buyers. Hopefully next.
See you next time.
Buyers.